drop that, man. That boy need grip boost. Throw that back. What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I'm trying to give you a chance. Man, I tell him, like, just throw it, bro. Just throw it, bro.
Hey, put there in the air.
Run around, bud. Just go, bro. Get over.
13, 9.
13.
Get open.
13.
Whatever you do.
13.
Whatever you do.
Don't put the ball in your vicinity.
Just get open. He top, bean top every time.
Rather go rock out D2.
Yeah, rock out. Ain't swing, man.
Rock out. Nice. Bet they gonna come. I already know it.
Okay. Oh, for TwoZee. And what's happening, family? It's Ronnie Hardison, aka 0 for TwoZee, man. And yeah, we right back at it. And I told you this gonna be the best channel that you ever seen, man. And yeah, we out here in Sarasota today. We got this thing for y'all, these nice little 1v1s. It's the first ever Mr. 0 for TwoZee challenge. We got 5 bands on the line. I'm from here. Why not start in my own city, man? Why not do that? We going city to city. We going state to state. And we finna pop this tournament off right. If you think you got what it take, man, like I told y'all, just come join, man. We gonna be in your city soon. We gonna let these boys get out here and do their things. I'm trying to find the next best 0 for TwoZee. I'm trying to see some bean top. I'm trying to see something. We going live today, and y'all know what to do. Hit that button right now, man. Subscribe to that channel. Yes, sir. Somebody gonna go crazy. Who gonna go crazy? Somebody gonna go crazy.
Crazy, boy. Know who going crazy.
Look. You hear him talking already. We ain't gonna tell you who that is yet. We ain't gonna tell you who that is yet. We're gonna knock these waivers out real quick. You know what I'm saying? For sure. Appreciate you.
The 2 biggest trash talkers in the 9-4.
Who?
About to say.
And him?
This boy disrespectful. He better catch every pick right on my back. Well, you better press me all. Come on, bro.
This man here. You feel me? So that cover my injuries, man.
If somebody break your neck, but you don't gotta pay that too, boy.
I ain't paying that. I'm not paying that.
But you only got a little bit of time to do that.
First of all, I want to say I appreciate y'all boys for coming out, man. Appreciate we in the soda, we in our city. We from here, I'm from here. You know, we all born here, man. So I figure, why not start with my city, bro? So like, that's really why I did this shit. I really tried to do some for the community in there and all that, bro. But while we here, we gon' ball. Like, let's have fun, bro. We just here for competition. Rules simple. Y'all already know the game. Y'all know how to go. Offense catch the ball, defense stop them. Like straight up, we gonna go from the 20 in, and let's get this jumping. You feel me? Like let's do what we gotta do. Let's slide. Like let's do it. There we go. 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 We trying to see who go live. Yeah, rep 1. Rep 1. This is what I want to see. Okay. Okay, he going B top first play. Ooh, good D. That one rep. I'm keeping count. I'm keeping count. I'm keeping count. Let's go, D. Who next? Who next? I'm keeping count. Put that on the money leak. Put that on the money leak. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, that's good. D, that's it. Hey, I don't see no touchdowns yet. It must be a defensive day. Man, look. Them boys trying to go 0 for TwoZee. Yeah, come on, don't be scared. Jump out there. Let me see what you got. Ooh. Okay, let him go. Let him go. I don't know. What we thinking? What? It was 5 yards? Kai, you gotta let him go. That was 5. Good D, what's happening? Hey, good route, keep running. Come on, Lee. Oh yeah, this the matchup I really want to see. Can you go 0 for TwoZee though? That's the thing. Can you make somebody go 0 for TwoZee though? Like straps. That boy say seatbelt, man. Seatbelt. Sheesh. I'm trying to see somebody go over top though. Okay. Okay. Easy. Easy. That's a catch. That's a catch. You still in there?
It's cool.
You still in there, DB? Oh my. Oh my, you done got dirty already.
Yeah.
Oh my.
He caught.
Oh my, that's a catch.
Caught.
That's a catch.
Hey, referee said there was a lot of movement on the way down now. That ball gotta stay put now.
It's a catch. That's a catch. Ain't no on the way down. Come on, man. That man. And then cut something. Stop playing, man. That's a catch.
Ain't no DB, but I can do it.
Man, you a DB. You played corner in high school. Stop playing. Come up here and press. What zone you in? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, with the motor. Yeah, on that. Can I get a pick? Oh! Woo! Lee, I see.
Bro. All I needed was
That's a dot. He say he moving on. He say he moving on. Hey, that's a dot. Kai say he gonna lock up. It's cool. What kind of technique that is? Oh, yeah, do so. Watch the ball. He did say go. That boy nervous?
That boy nervous.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's great, D. Oh my, that's a catch. That's what that is. Jesus. That kind of, he was good till he fell. He was good till he fell. He was good till he fell. You gotta go wide receiver now.
Go.
Yeah, whoever. Oh, catch. Oh my. With the comeback. With the comeback. Hey, that was on a dime. Oh, I thought he was in motion.
Man, liquor water. Oh. Let go. Oh, yeah.
That boy fire. What you say? Yeah, talk to him.
Know where he wanted to go anyway.
He looking like the best DB to me.
What you got, Evan?
And he played running back, you said. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, good route. Pick. That's the first 6. Give me me. Give me me. Give me me. But you, hey. Hey, I might have to call your coach. I might have to call your coach and switch your positions. Yeah, I might have to call your coach. He gonna see this and switch your position. Yeah. Okay, now the biggest talker of all, make sure you get him. This boy, he say when he get his cleats, he gonna be ready. Let's go, huh? Ooh! Ooh! Get that ball up, QB!
He talking about that's me.
Get that ball up! Hey, it's a great route. It's a great route. Yeah, that's what I want to see. All that talking. Stop some. Stop some. Stop some. Stop some. Yeah. 9 ball. Oh, no. Oh, good. Easy money. Way to stay strong. What happened? Oh, he. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. Hey, he him, though. He really him. I'm trying to tell y'all. That's the energy I want. Run it back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got to stay inside. That's 0 for 2 now.
I'll play no defense.
What he doing, man? Tell him don't jump over there if he can't be strapped. Like this. Go, like him.
Burn the say go.
Let's rock. Okay. Another dig. Hit him with the post dig. Oh! Oh!
Quarterback.
Hey! Hey! Let's go! Let's go! That's on the QB. You hit him with a post dig, though. You tried to give him a little post dig. Hey, run it back. It's okay. You gave me 10 too.
I gave you 20, but I was good. You good?
Ooh, that's what I like to see. Yeah, this way. Hey, this you right here though, huh? Offense, let's go. Let's go. Oh, ball. Oh my. Too much.
Hey, that's my fault. That win.
Run it back.
You good?
Yeah, hey, like I said, man, we doing this all year. This just the start of things, though. Mr. Targa.
Hey, this 3-time champ. Y'all better check.
Ooh, he told you so. Yeah, run it back. Yeah, 2 good routes though. Oh yeah, one of them was on the quarterback.
Oh, got him.
Oh my. Oh my. Up top. B top. Hey, what you got? Hey, come on, that's what I'm talking. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me. It's cool. Big brother had to treat you like a little kid.
Trust me, that's the only thing I worry about.
Big brother had to treat you like a little kid, though. Hey, don't let big brother treat you like a little boy now. Being top though, that's what I've been waiting to see. One of those.
You low-key heard the route.
He said he low-key heard the rap.
Change it, do what you got to do.
Yeah, change it. Change it.
Hey, be like Chad, let them know what you got.
Change it.
Man, let them know what you got.
Change it.
Take a look at but waste my time with you.
That's what I like. Hey, take him to the fence then. Take him to the fence then.
There you go. You gonna get it down? I'll make sure.
Ooh, stay inside. Another one. Good ball. Ooh. What happened? Let me know. I can't see back there what it was. Out of bounds? Or he got the foot? That's 3 for Hobbs though. 6. 6. Look. Yeah, hey, look, little bro say he ain't having that all day. He ain't finna just be busting his all day like that either. He say, ooh, with the skip. Oh no, lock it, sup, lock it, sup. Oh, weak ass, he doing all that talking now.
Hey, get your ass out here. You talking about?
Hey, don't hype me up. Don't hype me up. Don't hype me up. Don't hype me up. Cause it ain't enough DBs now. So don't hype me up. If I do, it's gonna be you first. All right, man.
Go first.
All right, they done did. Hey, every time they do that, y'all know what happened.
Go get them.
Every time they do that, they know what happened. Good D. This the matchup I want. Oh, on it. Up top. Oh, good D. Good D. I ain't gonna lie. You said you play running back, boy, but I think you really need to play DB.
No, I play both sides.
No cap. Man, and they challenging my boy to another one. Hey, what's his name? Don? Don? Yeah. Hey, that boy for real. You say he play running back.
He play running back.
But he need to go play DB. That's what I'm looking at.
He do play DB. They got him both ways. Now he go to Finley University.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, look him up, man. Conference champs. My boy got a ring light.
Ooh, hey, that's a good ball.
Put that in there.
Hey, he just did open TwoZee on you. He ain't even know.
He the best DB by far. And you, be quiet.
Man, let's go. What I tell you? Come, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
move. Good ball. Good hit. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Camera right there. Camera right there. Hey, he said rewind it. We gonna check the replay when we get home. We gonna have the replay on there.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
move. Good ball. Good hit. Him. That's a fucking great ball. What, it was out of bounds? What you said? Oh, man. Hey. Hey, that was a great ball, though. Oh, you too close. Give him a yard. Oh, my. That's too easy. Oh, catch the ball, Kai.
Yeah, I got one.
He got to finish. You got to finish. Hey.
Thought about it, all right now.
Hey. Live.
Go get the cleats. Oh, that live. Don't get the cleats. You ain't live.
And he said he going back to back. Little brother, he gonna kill you every time. Man, bang him for that. Go ahead and hit him.
Hey, I was thinking about it.
Benz, you hear me? An AMG.
Everybody got one?
Hey, boys, get this work, man. Come on.
Where the technique at?
Hey, go.
Okay. Another, ooh, dead corner. Oh my. Yeah, that's out. That's good, D. That's great, D.
That's for any sport, man. Soccer, tennis, what the f*** y'all want me to play? Yo, what y'all talking about, man? I'm like that.
Really like that. That's what I was trying to see.
I need that fire, man.
That boy say he need it. He say he need it. Right now it's looking good.
I need it. I sleep in my car.
Yeah, that boy say he need it. He say he need it out here.
I'm stop playing because you get on that talk crazy.
Nah, bro, talk your shit. Do what you need to do. Say what you want to say. You just better back it up.
Oh, the hell's get his money.
This what I want, them goal line 101s.
Hey, give me another cone over here, Ryan.
Ooh. Oh my! Post dig. Ah! He needs some grip boots or some new gloves. Put that stick on there or something like.
I'm gonna let him go.
That's one.
I know he ain't catching that much.
That's one. We got the hot car going on. What's up? Who out here? Ooh. Ooh. Ezzy. Dig. Catch. That's a catch. 6. Nice little move now. No cap. With the bean.
Oh, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me. That's on me.
Bad ball. We can't count that.
Hey, that's 6, man.
Bad ball.
Well, you gotta make that catch.
Tell him he better make that catch. Ain't no bad ball. Die for it. Die for it. Hey, my boy right here, Low Keto with the dreads. Right now he looking like he finna grab that. He the best DB out here. And he shut you down. I need one receiver that's gonna go against him. I'm trying to see out of y'all who gonna be the one to go against him. Cause he about to make this championship round this last little bout here now. Oh, good D. It's a good ball. It's good D. Y'all make sure y'all keep following that channel, man. We got a lot more to come, a lot more one-on-one, 707 events. We got a lot more special guests, like this one right here. Let me see what he do. Up top, I knew it. Too easy, too easy, too easy. Yeah, too easy. You should have been catching like that all day. I don't know where your hands was at earlier. I don't know where them sticks was. I don't know where them sticks was at. Good route. Oh! That's 6. Good route. Good route. We gonna see. We gonna see. Oh yeah. Okay, and he got on offense. And he got on offense. Oh! Good D-Zai. Good D-Zai. Yes, sir.
Play ball, man. Football.
Play ball, bro. Play ball. Oh, with a skip. Bean. Oh!
I can't do nothing about that.
Nah, he too tall. He really that dude. We got some people. Oh, come back. Hey, that's a good route. That's a great route. My boy say he's steady scrapping. I gotta take him.
There you go.
I don't know.
One for them, we playing 1 foot, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You good. You get it back. Y'all gonna go again. That's 1 foot. Lock his ass up. And I'm gonna send little brother on you. Man, press nigga. Don't even be scared of him, bro. He ain't nothing. Don't let him inside. Make him go outside. There you go. Ball. Ball, get your head around. Good catch, boy. Boy, good. That boy did the Tony T. With the Tony T. I might have to make me put my on.
Oh, yeah?
I ain't gonna lie. That was nice. He Tony T some. You feel me? With the 2 tap.
Go.
8, 9. Oh, good. Route.
Man, stop playing, boy. Boy, I need 5. I need 10 bands. Quarterback.
He say he need it. What?
I'm missing the stud.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Okay. Yeah, stay there. Good D.
Fuck in front, man.
D. That's why I like when it scrap up, man. I like to see scraps, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a DB. I like them bean talks. We done had a few today. But, hey. Let me see it. Do like this if he grabs you.
Shooting on each other, bro.
Y'all ain't, I'm watching from the back. He did like this. Get you another rep.
Want you another?
Get you one more. Woo! Shifty on your now. Let's go. Let's rock out. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you supposed to go 99. 99. Yeah. Stay inside. Stay inside.
Look where I'm at.
That's a catch and a flag. That's a catch and a flag. Boy. Hey, them boys say they need it out here.
Come on. What's up? What we
You gotta score on the 5.
Whoever receiver.
You gotta score. Ain't no 1 yard catch on. You gotta score on the 5. Don't f up his cheese now. For the money here.
Go.
Oh. Easy. Hey, them boys say they need it. Oh. Yes, sir. Way to stay there.
Get up.
Boy, if you would have pulled that in, boy, I know something. Jesus. Hey, come around. Come around that way. Let's go. 5 and in.
Set.
Hold on. You good?
Set. Go.
That's hot? That's hot? We got a crowd over there. Is that out of here?
That's touchdown. That's touchdown. Look up.
That's 6. Yes, sir.
Go.
Oh, good move. Good route. Oh! That's 1 for you. We'll get another rep. We'll get 1 more. Bring me. Give me 1 more that want to go against him.
There, go. Good route.
Good route. That's 6. You good?
Yeah, I got to be.
We got our first 2 winners, man, out here at this event, man. This over TwoZee challenge. We got the receiver, we got the DB. So I'm gonna let them introduce themselves, talk to you a little bit. Tell them where you from, tell them your name real quick. Wide receiver first.
Malachi Wattman, wide receiver, Jackson State University, from the projects, from 17th Street, you feel me? Born and raised, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, we're gonna continue this, man. I'm looking forward to see you to the next round, take these talents to the next city.
Gots to.
You know what I'm saying? And represent us well. Represent the 941 area well. DB, man. Hey, man, he was scrap all day. Like I said, he was on lockdown. He was willing to go both sides, but he really was just locking them boys up, man. So that's why he won this today, man. Talk to him. Tell him what your name is.
Dominic Bennett. Out of 260 to 941. Yeah, I go to University of Finley, and we out here having fun, man, getting work. You already know what it is.
Yes, sir. So like I said, man, these are the 2 winners that we're gonna have, and y'all know what time it is, man. Like I said, we going live. This is the first one, man, but we going city to city, state to state. We repping them 941s, man. We had to start in the city. Make sure y'all hit that button. Subscribe right now, man. That's what we do. We out of here. Oh, I'm gonna let him go. Oh, good route. Oh, you dropped the money. You dropped the money. Hey, when they drop the money, it be like, nah. Oh, for TwoZee.